I'm gonna drain the oil. I need to put a drain bucket underneath and use a 17mm socket or wrench. Loosen up the drain plug. Drain the oil. Then you want to take the old seal off the drain plug. Make sure you put a new seal on. And once it all drains out, then we'll put the drain plug back in. I'll put the drain plug back in. We're going to torque the drain plug to 33 foot-pounds. I'm going to take the oil filter off. It's about halfway up the engine block, and I'm going to use an oil filter wrench. Just loosen it up. Once you get it loose, then you can do it by hand. And you still want to have the drain bucket underneath. Loosen that up. You might lose some oil. It's very important to check the seal. Make sure the seal is still on the oil filter because you don't want to double gasket it. And take it out. Take the new filter. You want to take a little bit of fresh oil and just put it on the seal. It's going to make it seal better, and then when the next person changes the oil, it's going to make the filter come off a lot easier. And you can rub, it's hard to see, but if you take a rag where the filter goes, you just want to clean up that area. Just make sure there's no dirt or debris in there. And also if the seal is on there, you want to take that off. So we'll line that up. And get this started. And then once it gets snug, you want to give it another quarter to half a turn, and just tighten it down some more. And spray a little brake parts cleaner just to get some of the oil off that drained. Just clean that up the best you can. And then always just take a rag and just wipe the residual. You want to take the oil cap off. Use a funnel. On the cap itself, it actually tells you what type of oil to use. We're going to use 5W30. And this vehicle with the 4-cylinder engine requires about 4 quarts. So it's a good idea to put about 3.5 quarts in and then start it, let it sit for a minute, and then check the level. It's about a little more than 3.5 quarts we put in. Take the funnel out. Put the cap back on. Now take the dipstick, pull the dipstick out, and just wipe it off with a rag. And the dipstick tube, push it down, wait about 5 seconds, and pull it out again. And just take a look. You want it in between these 2 circles. And we're going to add about another 1/2 quart and we should be all set.